Robin. A red block. Cool. I have a yellow one. Let's play. Okay, Sinu. Stack them. Yay, flower. What was that? The window is tapping. Is it the wind? What is that? The tree is scary. It's tapping so loud. Did you hear that? Yeah, it's the wind. It's whispering to us. What is it saying? Listen closely. It's a secret. A magical secret. The wind is getting stronger. Come closer. Okay, I'm right here. What do you think it means? It's telling us a secret story. Listen. Hey guys, maybe the wind is just telling us it's time for snack time. Snack time? But it could be a cookie seeker, Robin. Look at the tree. The branches are dancing. Wow, pretty leaves. They're moving so much. The branches are hitting the window. Whoa, they're not good. Looks like they're out. The wind is so strong. Leaves are flying everywhere. It's like the tree wants to play. Oh. Huh? Woo woo! The wind sounds like this. Whoa! Okay, everyone, let's make the wind line together. Woo! Now my turn. Woo! I know the answer. Really? Yes, it's simple. Wow! See? I told you. We did it! I'm so happy. Yay! The final lesson is teamwork. Makes us strong. Yes, friends forever. Yay! Let's cheer together! Yeah, 1, 2, 3, yay! Hooray! Hey guys, why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? Because he was already stuffed. Yay! Whee! If you love our story, like and subscribe. Click the red button below.